Are you a new mom looking for an easy, nutritious snack to help with breastfeeding? Today, I'll show you how to make no-bake breastfeeding bars that are not only delicious, but packed with ingredients to support your milk supply and energy levels. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and recipes for busy moms. Breastfeeding can be exhausting, and your body needs extra nutrients to keep up. These bars are designed to provide a mix of healthy fats, complex carbs, and galactagogues, foods believed to boost milk production, like oats, flax seeds, and brewer's yeast. Plus, they're no-bake, which means less time in the kitchen and more time for cuddles with your little one. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to snack while breastfeeding? Here's what you'll need for these amazing bars. Rolled oats, 2 cups for fiber and milk-boosting benefits. Nut butter, half a cup for healthy fats and creaminess. Honey or maple syrup, 1/3 cup as a natural sweetener. Flax seeds, 2 tablespoons, a great source of omega-3s. Brewer's yeast, 1 tablespoon for its lactation-supporting properties. Dried fruits or chocolate chips. Optional, but they add a touch of sweetness. Write these down or screenshot this list to take with you on your next grocery run. Let's get started. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine your dry ingredients: oats, flax seeds, brewer's yeast, and a pinch of salt. 2. In a saucepan over low heat, melt the nut butter and honey until smooth. 3. Pour the wet mixture over the dry ingredients and mix until everything is evenly coated. 4. Press the mixture firmly into a lined baking dish using a spatula. 5. Chill in the fridge for at least an hour, then slice into bars. Pro tip: double the recipe and freeze some bars for later, perfect for those midnight cravings or on-the-go snacks. Make these bars your own. Not a fan of brewer's yeast? Swap it for chia seeds or shredded coconut. Need extra protein? Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Want a dessert twist? Sprinkle a few dark chocolate chips on top before chilling. What would you add to your bars? Drop your ideas in the comments. Your no-bake breastfeeding bars are ready to enjoy. They're the perfect blend of nutrition and convenience for busy moms like you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with another mom who could use an energy boost. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more recipes, tips, and tricks to support your motherhood journey. Until next time, take care of yourself. You deserve it.